How to draw an isometric flower. First, I will start to draw a pot. It will be different shape from the previous videos. Yep, we got the pot now. Next, start to draw a flower. Starting with the center of the flower, and then draw petals, and then duplicate and rotate them, and then erase the lines that overlap between them. Next, I will fill the color and fill it with white color. For the center, we have to create a new layer and draw a circle and fill it with white color. Alright, yes, and then merge them. And then it all set. Duplicate the flower and then arrange them on the pot. I use liquify to change the flower shapes. It will look more natural. Okay, next, drawing the leaves. And put the leaf layer under the flower layer and adjust them. Okay, you just draw one side and then duplicate. Yes, and then put to another side. Okay, at the center, add some leaves. And then work all the layer and adjust the size. Yeah, that is done.